In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create board in Trello. Board setup, 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into Trello. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. You can create a board from here, or if you're organizing work by team or project, head into the specific workspace where you want this board to live. Choosing the right place up front keeps things tidy and makes access easier for your teammates later. Look for the Create button near the top of the screen. It might appear as a plus icon depending on your view. Click it, and from the menu that opens, select Create Board. This tells Trello you want a brand new space for tasks, lists, and collaboration. Now give your board a clear, descriptive title. Aim for something that makes the purpose obvious at a glance. Think Q1 marketing plan, product roadmap, or client onboarding. Short and specific titles save time for everyone. Don't stress about getting it perfect. You can rename it anytime. Next, choose the workspace you want to associate this board with. Use the drop-down to pick the right team or personal space. If you collaborate across multiple groups, double-check you're placing it in the correct workspace to ensure the right people have access and your boards remain organized. Set the board's visibility. You'll see 3 options: private, workspace, or public. Private means only you and people you explicitly invite can see it. Workspace makes it visible to everyone in that workspace, which is great for internal collaboration. Public boards are visible on the web and discoverable by search engines, so use that only for material you're comfortable sharing widely. You can change visibility later, but it's best to choose carefully from the start. Customize the look with a background color or image. Colors keep things clean and high contrast, while photos add personality. If you plan to have lots of cards and labels, pick a background that keeps text easy to read. You can switch this anytime, so feel free to experiment. When everything looks good, click Create to finalize. Trello will open your new board immediately, and you're ready to build it out. At this point, your board is live and connected to the workspace with the visibility and style you chose. That's it. Quick and straightforward. You've logged in, navigated to the right place, created a board, named it, selected a workspace, set visibility, customized the background, and finalized it. You're all set to start organizing work and collaborating efficiently.